guys, so today I have a super exciting video, and I know you haven't seen me in a while and I apologize for that, but I had to come back on here because I am one of the faces of the Miley Cyrus Converse collection, and I just got a package in the mail from Converse, so I'm gonna unbox it here for you so you can see some of the few pieces from the line that comes out May 2nd. If you're not following me on Instagram already, follow me at Olivia Frescura. I'll put all sorts of links in the description box. But without further ado, I'm gonna unbox this box live. I've only cut the box open with some scissors and that's about it. Oh, I forgot to cut this. Ugh. My address showing? I don't think so. Oh my god. Yes! Okay, I'm so excited because I literally have been waiting to share this for 2 months, so to see it in front of my face is just amazing. So let's go into the letter first, because you know if you get any present you have to open the letter first. So this is just a little note like saying that Miley picked some pieces for me, so I'm excited to see what she picked. A little sticker. This is the logo for it, by the way. Okay, so we have this hat. I'm not really a hat person, honestly, but this is pretty cute. And then for the shoes, I got these super cute white and pink platforms. I love these. There's so many cute shoes in the collection. The whole thing is like white, pink, silver, black, glitter, paisley, really cute stuff. You can even see the black paisley on the inside, and then there's a little Miley logo on this side. And the shoelaces are pink paisley satin as well. Okay, we have some confetti and we have a shirt. So let's see this shirt. This is a white Miley shirt. Oh, there's two things. Oh my god. Wait, no, it's just a really long shirt. I'm a big girl. So we have this white shirt. This is pretty long. I feel like even guys could wear this. This is an extra large. I was like the only plus size girl in the campaign, which I think is a huge deal. And I'm not even like, I'm like on the cusp of plus size and not, but just to have like somebody who is a bigger girl in a campaign that's like probably worldwide campaign is like a huge deal. So it was really an honor for me to be a part of it, especially with so many awesome people shooting it, doing the makeup and the hair, etc. So here's my shirt. I'm excited to figure out how to style that because I actually have to leave right after I film this to go to the Grove to go to the launch event that Miley's going to be at, so I'm excited. There's this picture thing here, so I'm gonna peel this off. Sorry. And I'm guessing this just has more pictures that I haven't seen yet because I've only posted a few pictures on my Instagram, just from the few that I saw online that I could just repost from that. But let's see. Oh yeah, these are super cute. I'm back. I thought it would be cool to kind of do a recap of yesterday's launch event at the Grove, which I'm sure if you're a Miley fan you've seen a ton of pictures from it, but I just wanted to kind of share my experience because I thought that would be fun than just showing off the clothes. And I'll also be able to put some behind the scenes from the shoot at the end of this video. I've been a Miley fan. If you watch my channel, you know I'm a huge Miley fan. I've done so many Miley makeup tutorials. This was 12 years in the making. This is insane. Like, I can't believe that it actually happened. They had a whole festival at the Grove. It was crazy. There was a ton of fans there. And then after Miley filmed Jimmy Kimmel, she came to the Grove, walked the red carpet, and then did a meet and greet with 25 fans that showed up first. And that whole thing the whole festival was crazy. I have a few videos that I'll share. Like, I thought I was gonna be able to get like a nice cute selfie with Miley like some of my co-models did, but mine was really blurry and like a mess because all of the fans broke down the barrier. But I mean, it was nice because everybody got to talk a little bit as she was making her way down the red carpet, even though there were so many fans and it was so crazy. Like, I was somehow taking a video, I don't even remember doing this, but as she was walking past me, she like recognized me from the shoot and we like had a little moment and I somehow caught it on camera for like a 2-second clip. How are you? How are you? I was wearing a different outfit than what I showed you, just because we kind of wanted to switch things up. So I was wearing this big pink glittery shirt and I tied it at the waist. And you're probably like, where's the Miley part on this? It's right on the back, right here. There's also this track jacket, which even some of the guys were wearing, and it looks amazing on them. But it's just this pink, glittery track jacket with gray stripes and the same MC emblem on the back. So that's what I was wearing at the event to kind of show off the line. And we got our hair braided, and I kept my braids because it's the next day. But they have all these charms, and this is a Converse charm, which is like so dope. There's a Nordstrom pop-up at the Grove that you can see now for the next 2 weeks, so probably until like May 14th or 15th. And my face is on it, so if you're in LA, check it out. It's a super cute pop-up, super cute collection. I had a lot of fun, and I'm sad that it's over because it was literally so much fun. But here is all of my B-roll, so you can enjoy that. All of the stuff from the shoot in February and everything at the Grove yesterday. If you're in LA, come to Nordstrom at the Grove to see this. Put it back. Put that thing back.
My phone just...
So as this goes up, the collection will already be live, so shop it below and let me know what your favorite pieces are. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!